Jai student, today we are going to discuss the ascent and region in the chapter sector of the Indian economy. The 146 question number ascent is GDP, gross domestic product, so how big the economy is. The region GDP of the country is the value of all intermediate goods and services produced within a country during a particular year. So the ascent is GDP, so how big the economy is. दिस इज़ अ असेंट, मतलब जीडीपी शो करती है कितनी बिग है इकोनॉमी, ये इसका असेंट है. रीजन्स गिवन ऑफ द असेंट इज़ जीडीपी ऑफ अ कंट्री इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल इंटरमीडिएट गुड्स. जो जीडीपी ऑल द वैल्यू ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज प्रोड्यूस विद इन अ कंट्री ड्यूरिंग अ पर्टिकुलर ईयर. सो द ऑप्शंस अकॉर्डिंग टू द आंसर इज सी, बिकॉज द explanations of the ascent A is given by the R is wrong, means GDP so how big the economy, this is statement is correct, and GDP is the value of all the intermediate goods. The particularly the GDP, the definition is right, but the explanation of how big the GDP is, that is wrong. So that the right answer is option C, where A is the correct but R is a wrong. The next, the GDP, so how big an economy is. The reason GDP is better, the GDP is the value of all goods and services produced within a domestic territory of a country. So here the answer is A. Both A and R are the true statement, and R is the correct explanation of A, because GDP is the value of all final goods and services produced within a country, and higher GDP is indicate higher production level and higher economic activities. Higher GDP implies that people of a country are earning more, so it is an indicative size of the economy. The next question 148, under the Manrega 2005, those who are able to and are in need to work in rural are quarantined 100 days area are guaranteed 100 days of employment in a year. The reason for ascent is the central government in India made a law implementing the right to work in about 1625 districts of India. The answer for this is option A, means both A and R are true. R is a correct explanation of A. Here means under the Manrega, those who are able to or need of work on rural areas are guaranteed 100 days of employment in a year guarantee करता है. And the reason the central government in India made a law भी बनाया है right to work in about 1625 district of India. The next 149 question, the ascent in agriculture in India take place in the organized sector, and reason for most of the workers working in agriculture are ill paid. Means here the both the statements are the true, and R is a correct explanation of A. Agriculture in India take place in the organized sector. Most of the workers working in agriculture are ill paid. And next, Leela work 5 days a week, receive her income on the last day of each month, get medical facilities for her firm. Reason Leela working in organized sector. The answer for in this the option A, because both the statement are true, ascent and region, and R is the correct explanations of A. Here the firm is organized sector registered by the government and have follow its rule and regulations which are given in the various law. Thank you.